Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Revolut Rewards option and how to claim your cashbacks. So first of all you have to go to the menu and here go to the rewards icon. It's the first one in the menu. Just tap on it and here you will find all the reward options, all the companies that Revolut has a contract with. And if you go to these sites, you will receive the percentage, this amount of cashback for all your purchases. So for example, if I go to the food shop site to buy new sneakers, then this is what will happen. Tap on the button below to visit food shop's website, pay with your Revolut card and receive your cashback. After you purchase, you have been validated. And that's it. It's pretty easy and it's very useful if you have your shopping plan or whatever if you want to buy. For example, I love the Kurtrest app. I always buy my books from Kurtrest, so it's quite cool that you can have these cashbacks. You also have these menu points if you are just looking for entertainment, food, wellness. All these options will depend on the location and area that you are from. So as you can see, I have most of my options are Romanian stores from Romania, but if you are from the US or from any other country, you will see the available options for your country. And after you did use these reward options, you can check all your statistics here up in the right corner. Here you will see all the completed options, no paid cashbacks yet. We are processing your past transactions, yeah. So, and here are the pending rewards. So this is a cool way to check how much money did you receive in the cashback options. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing. That would help me a lot. And yeah, see you in the next one. And don't forget, if you have any questions, just ask me.